One of the simplest things you can do is to change out your old incandescent bulbs to compact fluorescent lights, or CFLs, that have earned the government's Energy Star. If every American replaced their 5 most frequently used light fixtures or the bulbs in them with ones that have earned the Energy Star, we'd save close to $8 billion a year in energy costs. Another easy fix: consider installing a programmable thermostat. When used properly, it can save you up to $150 a year. Your attic can allow your heat or air conditioning to leak right out of the top of your house. Weather strip or insulate your attic hatch or door to prevent air from escaping and maximize the efficiency of your attic insulation. Adding insulation is one of the best ways to increase the energy efficiency of your entire home, and our value of 38 or higher is going to make that insulation as efficient as possible.